refuge in Allah from Shaitan, they expel one from his mercy. Indeed, there is for him no authority or those who have believed and run upon him. सितारों से आगे जहां और भी है, सितारों से आगे जहां और भी है, अभी इश्क के इम्तिहान और भी है. But today I ask, क्या होता है जब एक मुल्क को अपने ही हुकूक का इम्तिहान देना पड़ जाए? क्या होता है जब एक मुल्क का संविधान, उसका ज़मीर एक कसौटी से गुजरे? क्या होता है जब एक मुल्क की आज़ादी की सांसें भी बेक पड़ जाए? These are not negotiations. These are the questions that awaken a nation. Honorable judges, respected teachers, and dear audience. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are here not to point fingers, but here to reflect, to understand, and to strengthen what makes India India. The emergency period, a test of democracy. The year 1975, a moment when India paused, a moment when our democracy faced its great testings. But remember, every democracy faced storms. It was a moment when restrictions were placed, rights were limited, and voice open. But as I already told, every democracy faced storms, every nation is tested, and every constitution faces trials. The emergency taught us one powerful lesson, that freedom is precious and fragile. As Allama Iqbal said, "Tunde baade mukhafil se na ghabraega, tunde baade mukhafil se na ghabraega, ye to chalte hain tujhe uncha udane ke liye." This means challenges not break the nation, they lift them higher. Violation of constitution, a lesson not to blame. During the emergency period, some of the rights were restricted, like freedom and liberty. We did not discuss it to blame. We discussed it to us. अगर हम अपने मुल्क के संविधान को समझ ही ना पाए तो उसकी हिफाजत कैसे करें? अगर हम अपने मुल्क की डेमोक्रेसी को समझ ही ना पाए तो उसकी हिफाजत कैसे करें? A mashal of justice, equality and liberty. As Allama Iqbal beautifully said, खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है? This is the power of an awakened citizen. This is the power of a democratic response. India rising, democracy becoming strong. After the emergency, something beautiful happened. Guess what? India didn't win. India didn't fall. India rose. India came back stronger, more united, more responsible, and more aware. Because India's democracy don't live in the buildings, but live in the hearts of its people. So I ask you again, क्या democracy सिर्फ एक system है? Is democracy only a system? No. It's not a system, it's a culture, it's a commitment, it's a promise we make to the future. And do we know we are the protectors of this future? We are the protectors of this future. We make promise to this future. And let me end with Iqbal's thunder that shake the heart. उठो मेरे दुनिया के गरीबों को जगा दो, उठो मेरे दुनिया के गरीबों को जगा दो, खाके उम्रा के दरो दीवार हिला दो. Not to reward, not to blame, but to awaken courage, responsibility and awareness. And before I go ahead, let me ask you again. नहीं तेरा नशे में कसर सुल्तानी की गुंबद पर, नहीं तेरा नशे में कसर सुल्तानी की गुंबद पर, तू शाहीन है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों पर. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.